Did you know that the pads that you've been using in the past is still out there somewhere on this planet? Shocking, and you also feel guilty, right? So in this video I'm going to talk about my very first experience using a menstrual cup, and also I really hope that you girls can actually take a lot out of this video, because I'm going to give you my honest opinions about different products that I tried out. Also, if you're a man who's watching this video, do not just skip this video. Please do share it with your dear women. And also, please do subscribe to this channel. And while you're at it, also click on the bell icon. Now, without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. I've been wanting to use menstrual cups for a very long time now, and just like any other woman, I had a lot of anxieties, mainly because we are so much used to using pads and tampons, and menstrual cups is just too new to us. After doing so many researches, I finally found out that menstrual cups are much more better than pads or tampons. The reasons being, you can actually reuse it, because menstrual cups can actually be used for 10 solid years. This is something that's awesome, because we use so many pads in a day, and this ultimately makes menstrual cups cost effective as well. And let's face it, we're also being planet friendly here. I am really grateful to menstrual cups, mainly because it made me realize that we actually don't bleed that much, because we ordinarily use around 5 to 6 pads a day, which is just making us want to buy more of the product. But on the other hand, using menstrual cups make me realize that I just have to change the menstrual cups like within 8 to 12 hours a day, and that is definitely a lifesaver, you guys. Also, menstrual cups are not loaded with chemicals just like pads or tampons, because menstrual cups is just a product that stores your blood. It's not something that absorbs your blood, unlike other menstrual products. Now, some people might argue saying that I use a pad which is biodegradable. Great, hats off to you. But I should definitely tell you that is way too expensive, because like I said, menstrual cups can be used for 10 years, and that is a better option. When I decided to start using menstrual cups, I immediately posted it on my Instagram account just to understand people's opinions, and if they had any questions, I could probably use menstrual cups and let them know what I felt about it personally. So I did collate a couple of questions that I got online, and based on that, I'm going to answer all the questions, and I hope that I can answer your questions as well. So the first question was how to use a menstrual cup. Well, so first of all, this is a menstrual cup. This is how it looks like. This is the classic shape. There are different shapes of menstrual cups, but this one is like quite classic. And also, you should understand that menstrual cups come in different sizes, starting from small, large, and medium. So, large is basically used by women after pregnancy. Other women can probably use small or medium according to their interest. I think small is definitely, very suitable for all women out there. So I've actually bought a small one. So to answer the question, how to use it? Well, so first of all, there are different ways that you can insert this in your vagina. To start off with, I saw a lot of people doing this on the internet. As in, you just have to fold it like this, do this, and push this in, and then insert it. So that's one method, but for me, this method did not work out. So for me, the method that really worked out was you take your index finger, place it on the cup, and just push it in. So once this goes in, you can see it forms this kind of a hole here. So once that is done, so this is the vagina. So I'm going to push it in. So once I push it in, so this is much better when compared, because when you're seeing this on the hole like this, you might feel like, how am I going to insert this thing inside me? So when you're doing this, it becomes much smaller and it's definitely possible. So you just have to push it in and it pops open. Now, sometimes there is a possibility that it might not immediately open up, because that's a rare case scenario. But if that happens, what you just have to do is, after pushing it in, you have to just, this stem would be there. You just have to try pulling this out. If this does not open, it can be easily removed using this stem. If this opens up, you cannot pull it like that because the suction has already formed here. So that's the thing. So once you tug this, you will know whether this has opened or not. If it comes out, it means that it has not placed in the right way. So in that case, you can just put your hands up and turn this around so that it will pop open. Also, don't forget to boil the cups once you receive it, because you will have to boil it before use and also after use, just a form of sterilization. The next question was, does it hurt? Well, I'm going to be honest here. Initially, the first time I tried, it did hurt a little bit, but it was totally bearable. But of course, this is quite new to you, and also I felt like it was only the first time it felt very weird for me, after which it was quite easy for me to insert. So probably this is something new to all of us, and that might hurt a little bit, but you should look at the brighter side that happens post this. The next question was there any leakage? Absolutely zero leakage, and I'm not lying. So because even after using so many pads, we sometimes see our panties stain and it really breaks our heart. But this one, it just doesn't leak. So there were a couple of weird questions that I wanted to address as well. To start off with, I had this doubt also. First thing was, what happens if I cannot just take this thing out? What happens if it just gets lost? So I went and Googled it and I found out that it is not possible scientifically, so you don't have to worry about it. It's not going to get lost inside you. That was one. Another question that was asked was, will I lose my virginity? No, I don't think so. And it's also a stupid thing to actually worry about. Another question was, can I pee if I have the menstrual cup inside me? Guys, the urinary tract is different, the menstrual tract is different. It's not going to form a fountain when you pee or something. So you don't have to worry about it. You can pee, you can poop. This is a completely different area, so you don't have to worry about it. Last but not the least, which brand should I use? So I used 4 different brands, mainly because this is the very first time I'm using. I really wanted to understand different products to identify which product suits me best, and also I'm going to give you honest opinions about all the 4 products that I tried out. So first of all, I used the Wow Freedom. So now, usually I do like Wow products, and also this was suggested by one of my favorite YouTubers, and that's the reason why I got this. So basically this comes in a bag like this. All the menstrual cups, they provide you with this bag, so that's one really great thing. And also this is given in a cup like this. So this particular menstrual cup is comparatively different when you look at other menstrual cups, because this is in a different shape. First of all, this is in a different shape, and also you can fold it up and place it in. Now, also, Wow has also given us an intimate wash. So now this is actually used to wash the cups. Now, I was deeply disappointed by this cup, to be honest. I did see a lot of good reviews on different YouTube channels, but for me, this product sadly did not work, mainly because I constantly felt that I had something inside me the whole time, and that's why I didn't like it. And this was the first menstrual cup I tried out, and probably I thought to myself, maybe I just feel this way because I'm trying it for the first time, but that's not true because I didn't have a problem with other menstrual cups. This I tried to give it like three chances, and all three times, no, this did not make me happy. I'd have no idea why other people liked it. They might have their different reasons, but for me, no. The only good thing is they give you this intimate wash. So the next product that I tried out was the Sirona. Now, this product, if you see, it looks quite simple, and it also comes with a bag like this. And that's it. The cup looks like this. It's a very normal cup, a classic way. And this one again, it was quite soft. I really liked that part. And only after using this, I realized that you completely forget when you have menstrual cups inside you. So this is a great product. I completely love this product. I would also suggest you guys to use this because the one small thing that I found a little disadvantage was this stem. Sometimes I can feel that this stem was poking me a bit inside. So that alone, I think, was a little disturbing. Sometimes, not always, sometimes, but I actually forgot that I was wearing menstrual cup. So this is a great product which I completely loved. The next product that I used was the Everteen menstrual cup. So this cup, if you see, it has a great packaging. This has very good packaging. So it also comes with a bag with loads of instructions in it. And talking about the cup, this cup is comparatively bigger than any of the cups that I had used. It's a little bigger. So while comparing all these three menstrual cups, I realized that this shape is the most comfortable one, and which is a classic shape of any menstrual cup. And also, the only thing that I found a little annoying were these stems. I wanted to find a menstrual cup that did not have this long stem. So that is the reason I went and looked into different menstrual cups, and that's when I found a beautiful Indian brand. So this is the Boon. It doesn't have a fancy packaging and everything, but this is my favorite, and it is the clear winner mainly because of this. Now, compared to other cups, I found that this was a little thicker. So I was quite worried, but then no, I did not face any trouble. It just went in very easily. And also, I completely forgot that I had my periods, mainly because there was no stem here and it was not disturbing at all. This is a clear winner, and this is what I suggest you guys to buy. And I'm going to leave the links of all the four products in the description box below so you guys can purchase the right one. Although I'm going to suggest you to buy this Boon cup. And in no way is this video sponsored if you guys are thinking about that. This is definitely my personal opinion, and I really hope you guys can buy this product because this is a lifesaver. So that's it, you guys. I really hope that you guys found this video very informative, and I really want you guys to try it out. And people who have already tried out menstrual cups, you guys can also leave comments below telling what brand you used and how it had been helpful for you so that it can help out other women too. And also share it with your friends so that they understand about menstrual cups and they actually get enlightened. So, thank you so much, you guys. I'm going to meet you next time with another wonderful video. Until then, bye.